beautiful people. I know you have missed me and I just suddenly disappeared from YouTube. Okay, that's a lie. That's a lie. You don't miss me at all. No worries. I'm still here. You just have to see my face. I can't help. That's okay. Okay. Hello beautiful people. In this video I will tell you what is local hack day, how to participate, why to participate, and what are the things you will learn during the challenge or the hackathon, and some approach that I used, and maybe you can apply that too. Or if you have another approach that you used, you can also tell us in the comments and everybody can take the benefit of that. Okay, so let's start. Number one thing is, what is local hack day? It is a week-long hackathon organized by MLH, that is Major League Hacking, and you must know that it is the biggest organization for that organize many hackathons. And if you want to participate in any hackathon, you just need to go to their website and register for that, because they organize many hackathons every day or every week. So sign up for their newsletters to stay updated for such kind of events. That's the best way to stay updated in these events. Okay, so next thing is how to participate. You just need to go to the website of MLH, and there you need to check the upcoming events organized by them and just register for that event. Number 3 is why to participate. Okay, so if you are really new to hackathons and all, you must know that hackathons can really help you in your communication skill, in your networking, in your development skills and coding, and anything that open source does. Like, it's kind of similar thing, because you get to meet a lot of people across the world since it's online right now, and you will get to connect with lots of people. You will see that what they are working on, and I think the spirit of hackathon will be there, and you will get motivated to do more, because if we start learning by ourselves, and after some time we usually leave that tech, like some programming language, we just drop the idea that I can't do that. But in hackathons you will get the spirit that yes, I can do that, and with others around you, with other like-minded people, you will be much more motivated to complete that task. And in local hack day there are many tasks, such as week-long tasks and a single day task. So week-long day tasks are like you can do them throughout the week, as one day tasks are usually just for 24 hours. So you will learn a lot. Trust me, there are many things you will learn in just 7 days. Next thing that you need to know is how it works. So first thing is that the first day of local hack day is the opening ceremony. They will explain everything, that how will they approach, how you can start doing all the tasks, how you can earn points, how you can earn points for yourself and for your guilds. That reminds me that what is a guild? Guild is like a group of people that belong to the, same group. Like, there was EdiHub, Equicode, DSC community, and lot more. And congratulations again, EdiHub, for winning the local hack day. So everybody worked tremendously in the community, and we just not communicated with our guild, but we had many cross guilds meetups, and after local hack day it is still running, that cross community meetups and all. So that is really good, because it was not just about local hack day, but after local hack day we have the same connections, we are doing the same work, and that's more important. Next is I will explain some tasks that was there in the local hack day. and it was like learning a new programming language, share coffee with the community members, share coffee with the other guild members, design the MLH mascot. Also, the best thing was live stream yourself. So if you are not, you are thinking of starting a YouTube or Twitch streaming, so that will be a chance that you will be getting out of your comfort zone and you will be presenting yourself in front of many people. And that's when you will get to know that you don't fear that anymore. You don't have the fear of facing the camera and speaking in front of many people on the internet. So I guess that's the best way, and I do encourage you to do the same. Also, there were some tasks like write some blogs and all on day post or day 2 community. And also the easiest way to earn points was check in every day for every event. Like there were many workshops going on, and people were like doing the tasks on Twitch and streaming themselves and telling you how to do that. And also there was cup stacking tasks, so that was really interesting. I couldn't do that, but I saw some of the members doing that, so it was really interesting. And all the details will be on the website itself. You don't need to worry that what are the tasks you have to do. Next is I will explain my local hack day experience. The number one and the main thing is that you get to know a lot of people throughout the world, and you get to know their ideas, you share with them, and you just connect with them. That's the most important part. Even if you don't know them personally, there is a connection between you because you are working in tech, and I think that's the best way, because tech really connects people, for me at least. Number two is I got to learn a lot of new things. The main and the most exciting was learning a new programming language. So I was thinking of learning a new programming language for quite some time, and I was thinking to learn TypeScript. I wish I will continue this. I wish to continue learning TypeScript because due to some reasons I couldn't just continue that, but that's okay. At that time I learned about TypeScript and I was really amazed at how it works, and I also wrote a blog about it. I never learned TypeScript, so that was quite amazing for me that it generates a JavaScript file because the browser doesn't understand TypeScript. So I will link that blog in the description box if you wish to read that. So what was happening every day, like in India, in IST it was usually 10:30 p.m. and the leaderboard gets updated every day. So it was like a healthy competition between all the guild members and guilds. So it was like who will be at the top 30 and top 30 guilds and top 30 members. So it was like awesome. And the most exciting part was, if you have participated in local hack day, then you know that my favorite part of the stream was when Ryan used to convert to not really Ryan. So that was really amazing. So it was exciting and we get to learn a lot. So maybe you can check those streams on the Twitch channel of MLH. I will link that in the description box as usual. So all the important links will be in the description box. Always check my description box. So if I by chance forget anything, then it will be in the description box. Okay, so the last thing is some advices that how you can approach. Since there are 7 days and there are many tasks that you can do, then maybe you can prepare a list of tasks that you will do and that you are doing and that you are not doing completely. Okay, so I made a list of those 3 on these papers. So it was like, I'm not doing these tasks. I have already done these tasks, and these tasks need to be done. So if you have sticky notes, that's okay. But I didn't have any sticky notes, so I just cut the paper in a particular size. That saved me some money and my parents' money. So yeah, that's like a jugaad in Hindi. So yeah, you can do that, and because you need to be clear that these are the tasks you will be doing, and you are doing and you are not doing at all. Because for me at least, it can be really confusing since there are a lot of tasks, like a lot of tasks. So yeah, this approach you can use. So now that the local hack day was already gone, I know I am really late for this video, but I'm not that late. So the next opportunity for local hack day is from 28th March to 5th April, and from today, like when I'm recording this, it's 1st March, and there will be many sessions going on from throughout the month, throughout March and till 5th April. So you can also join that. I will link that too in the description box. So every detail will be down there, and you just need to participate and learn. And also, the best thing you need to remember is connect with new people. Don't be afraid of speaking. These things can really help you in building your confidence. So do that, and yeah. Till then, may the source be with you.